Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Brisleni, and we have fun on this channel, so like, keep on watching. Alright, so this is it, y'all. Anyways, this is the box, the Kylie box. It came in like a all pink box, and I love that because as you can tell, my room is covered in pink. I wear pink all the time. This is pink. My blankets are pink. My socks are pink. They're not really, but I just wanted to say that. But yeah, it came in this cute box. It says Kylie there. I don't know if you can see it because it's in white. But yeah, it says Kylie. And let's show like what's in the box. So it came with a lot of like styrofoam, whatever, so it wouldn't get messed up, which is awesome. And it came in like 6 days, I think. It took like 5 days. It took like 5 days to come in, yeah. Pretty good. Then it's coming with a card that says Kylie, and it says, "Good choice. Love all these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO Kylie Jenner." Kai, thank you so much for sending this handwritten card to me. Like, we're like this, you know. This is the PR packaging box. Like, we just big homies, man. We big homies. We're not, but I wish. So Kylie, if you wanna send me like the next PR packaging for your next collection, then like I'm with it. I'm with it. But but I like this packaging. It's just like the one that I had for the PR packaging was way more Halloween, you know. Like the Boo, I love that way better. But whatever. I still got it and I'm happy. So. And then another cool thing, it comes with these 3D glasses. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen glasses like this in a minute. Cause you remember when you would go to the movies and they will give you these type of 3D glasses, and now they give you some other things that they're like more fancy or whatever. But yeah, I miss these. Yeah. Damn right, I look cool, right? I look cool. But yeah, cause they gave you this because some of the packaging here, like it's like 3D, so that's cool. So yeah, now that we on that, let's start. Should I keep these glasses on? I feel like that would be distracting. Yeah. These are already distracting enough, so no. I'm gonna start off with, let's start off with the eyeshadow palette. So this is the pressed powder palette, and it's super cute. It's like wrapped in a mummy, and all the colors are so cute. Oh, the packaging is so cute. It's like a skull on the top. Look. Ooh, Kylie Jenner. The names for the things are so cute. I love that this has a freaking mirror. Like, I love that this has a mirror. Like, I just love it so much because I remember when the Kylie Burgundy palette came out, and I went to the Kylie pop-up shop and I got it. Like, that was my first actual like makeup eyeshadow palette that was good, and that's when I really started getting into makeup. And you know, oh, I'm reminiscing. The colors are so cute. Like, look at them, and the names are even cuter. This one is called Nightmare, Bat Beep, Crazy, Main Boo, Hey Pumpkin, Best Witches, Halloween, Sweet Poison, Hex on My Ex, and Freak On. I love the name Hex on My Ex and Best Witches. I just love that. And Halloween, you know, because vampire, I did an eyeshadow look with these shades. If you want to see it, click on the sidebar thing. I don't know, I'll figure out how to put it up there. If not, then the link is in the description box. Next up, so I'm gonna go in with the glitter eyes, and this is Witch and Famous. And I love when I saw the glitter eyes when she swatched them. I was like, wow, I'm literally in love, and I need this like yesterday. So this is Witch and Famous, and it's like a orangey color. It's super pretty. I have it on right now. This one. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I just can't get over it. I can't get over how beautiful it is. And then this one is Hello Gorgeous. And this is like a yellowish, goldish one. And I haven't swatched this one, so let's see. Let's see how I'm gonna freak out. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I cannot. I can't even. So pretty. Kylie girl, you went off. You went off, sister. The face, I'm gonna open this highlight palette. It's like this. The packaging is so cute. It's like little ghosts. And the name of the eyeshadow. The name of the highlight is Go Go. So I just love this. It's so cute. Oh, the packaging for the glitter eyes are like spider webs. Super cute. Man! What the was that? Oh my gosh, this is spooky. This literally popped. Like, I guess the batteries inside, it popped. This is not safe. Target, what are you doing? Target almost killed me. Got it out. Kylie. And this is it. This is the highlight. It's super cute. It looks kind of green, whitish, but when it comes off like, I have it on right now. It comes out like kind of goldish. Just super cute. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Wow, look at that. You see that? So pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with all of the lipsticks. The first lipstick is Creep It Real. And I like how the packaging is like a mouth with fangs on it. Very vampire-y. Love it. Keep It Real is like a nudish color. I don't know how this will look on me. We'll see one day. It smells like the lip kit's like chocolate. Oh, it's super pretty. It's like pinkish nude. Right there. And it says boo on the thing. Oh! I'm so scared. Boo. Next lipstick is Spider Bite, which is what I have on right now. I think, yes. It's like a purple color. I don't know if I should swatch it because I have it on right now, but like I'll just swatch it anyways because I'm extra. Why not? I feel like Kylie when she be on her snap and be like, she'd be like, Spider Bite, buy the new collection. Just kidding. Haunted. This is called Haunted. Oh, this is like a vibrant orange. Oh, and it's like, it has kind of, oh, it has like shimmer in it. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It matches with like almost this one, but not really. Oh, and it dried. That dried so quick. Look. I've been filming since like 4 o'clock and it's 7 o'clock already. I just can't wait to go to sleep, honestly. The next lipstick is called Monster. I think this is the green one. Oh yeah, it's green and shimmery. Oh, I left the 2 shimmers for last. Yo, I didn't even plan that. I'm a boss. Oh, this is cool. This looks really cool. Like, I want to do a Halloween look with this, for sure. It's giving me like a seaweed monster vibe, like, you know. Now I'm gonna go in with the lip kit. It's called Bite Me. And I'm gonna just swatch the lip color. It's like a red color, you know, vampire type. Bite Me. Right there. Super duper pretty. And I haven't swatched this, but I'm so excited to swatch it. This is the the spooky glitter lip gloss. It's called Handsome Devil. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm so excited. That's stupid pretty. Go off, Kylie. That's stupid pretty. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even... I kind of want to put that on my list right now. Should I? I think I should. I'm gonna just take it with my finger and like... Let's see. Oh my god, on the lips it looks even better. This is all genuine reactions, like... This is literally so beautiful. Like, I didn't put on too much because I didn't want to mess up like the look or whatever, but like, wow. I should have put this on the tutorial. Oh well, it's on now, but it's so... Wow, I can't get over. I can't get over it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kylie, you went off, sister. Kylie, Schmiley, you went mother off. Handsome Devil, and it has the skeleton packaging. Oh, and the Bite Me packaging. Did I show ya? I'm horrible at this. But that is it. That's my Kylie collection. Shake it, shake it, shake it. I can't believe you did that, Kylie. Kylie, you went off. And like, I thought it wasn't gonna come on time. I was like, why is it coming on like October 12th when like Halloween is right around the corner? So like with shipping, maybe it won't come in time to do many Halloween looks. But like, it came in pretty quick. Today's the 19th. It came in yesterday, the 18th. So it basically took 6 days, and I think that was pretty quick for them. So I ordered something from Sephora the day after, and it came in the same day. So it was like, you know. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm just so happy I got this, even though my bank account is crying. But thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like Kylie up in here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, then I'm sorry that you didn't, but still give it a big thumbs up. And like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified for whenever I post a video. So like, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.